It is an exponential decay question. First of all, we need to read the problem to understand what is going on here. Okay, in this question, the number of French words and shows n that are remembered by students after the completion of a French language course decreases exponentially over time. This data can be modeled by the function like that. So this function shows us how to relate the number of French words with the time. And then in the first part of the question, part A, we know that immediately after the completion, a student remembers 4,200 French words. It means at the beginning, when t is 0, the number of n is 4,200. Okay, let's start the solution. So for part A, the question asks n of 0. So we will put 0 as a t into equation. A times b times minus 0 plus 450. And it is equal to 4,200. So the power 0 always make 1. So a times 1 is a plus 450 equal to 4,200. And then basically a is equal to 3,750. And then we finish part A. So after part A, if you look at the equation, we calculate one of the unknown in the equation, but still we have another unknown in that equation. It is B. Let's find B. How can I find B? If you look at here, after 4 years, a student can remember only 1,600 French words. Now we will put all these numbers into our equation. Okay, so part B. N of 4 is equal to A. What is A? We already calculated here. 3,750 times B. Still we don't know B. And power negative T. Basically, T is 4. So B power minus 4 and plus 450. N of 4 is equal to 1,600. And it is equal to 3,750 times b power negative 4 plus 450. First of all, we need to move this number the other side, and then we get that 1,150 is 3,750 times b power negative 4. And then we need to divide both sides the coefficient of b. So divide by 3,750, divide by 3,750, and then we get that it is gone now. So when you divide this number, we get that 0.31. It's equal to b power negative 4. And then when you do this calculation with your calculator, you will get that b is equal to 1.34. And then we finish the second part of the question. In part C, the question asks you the number of French words as a student remembered never decreases below a certain number of words. Actually, it means the question is asking the asymptote of this equation. So if you remember the general form of the exponential equation, it is k times a power x plus c. And it is the general form of the equation for exponential growth or decay. And this number always shows the asymptote. So if you look at the equation, what is this number? This number is 450. So n is 450. And we finished 3 parts of the question. I hope all the answers are clear for you.